Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of rechargeable lamps. These aren't just normal lamps. First of all, these things are packed extremely well. It's got really nice foam that has been cut out to the lamp shape, but the lamp is actually shaped like a little wine glass, except for it's upside down wine glass. So this would be so cool in a bar, in a restaurant, in your own home, anywhere around there. It's just got this really elegant, just subtle look. I just really like the look of these lamps. So I'm going to bring you in here and show you these lamps. Let's get them out here. I really like these. They come with 2 charging cords, but they will go on their own with their own battery for 24 to 72 hours, depending on what level you have them at. And by what level, I mean it goes by 3 different dimming speeds, so you can actually have them really low or you can have them higher. So you can kind of set your own ambiance. So let's bring you in here and we'll show you the features of these lamps. So taking a closer look here, you actually have your charging port right here that you would then charge up your own cord to you plug that in and get it charged up. But you can also charge a device on this lamp. So that's a really neat feature. So if you did have these up, somebody can come in and charge up their phone or iPad or whatever else. And then you've got your power button that then changes the lamp color for you. And you have 7 different colors. By just touching the button, it changes that light. Now, if you wanted to change your light, you actually have this breathing one as well, where it will just cycle through all the different colors. Then if you wanted to change the dimness of it, you can just hold on to it and it will then dim that down, or you can bring it back up. And it will charge for 7 to 9 hours is all it takes to charge it. And the different light levels, you have a 6000K, a 2800K, and a 4500K for your light levels. So we're gonna go out and set these up by my bar. All right, I wanted to show this to you kind of in the dark so you could really see just how bright and colorful these lights really are and just the settings that you can put them on. So there we've got it up a little brighter, and this one is at the dimmer setting. And then we can change all of those colors just based on whatever mood you want to have it in. If you did want to turn them off, you just double tap on the power button and then it will turn right off for you. But these lights are just so pretty and can just be set for so many different things that I love how it can be used in all sorts of different settings. And then you can always use them in a dark, brighter setting too. I just wanted to have you see just how it works with the coloring and how pretty they are, how easy they are to use, and all of the different colors that it can cycle through. If you did want to have your lights on, of course, they are beautiful, just sitting there as its own decoration. Like I said, I really like it as a bar decoration because it looks like a little upside down wine glass. And I like these things a lot. They're very pretty with this black matte and gold finish.